Hello all, and welcome back to another episode of Lish the Baker. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Monday and Thursday about baking and lifestyle. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make English Muffin Toasting Bread. Now, I got very into making this bread during quarantine. It was one of my mom's favorites, and so I made it quite often. It is a fairly easy bread to make, however, there are a couple of little quirks to it that I'll be sharing in the recipe, so make sure that you watch all the way through so that you know how to make it without any mistakes. This is an especially great bread to pair with any of your favorite breakfast toppings, as it does have a very mild flavor and it is not an overly sweet bread. It is also very porous, so it absorbs butter perfectly. I actually gave this loaf of bread to my mom for Mother's Day. Baked goods always make a good treat. And make sure you subscribe for future baking videos. As always, please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked this recipe, and leave a comment down below. Are you gonna make this bread? Please make sure you hit subscribe and ring that little bell icon so you get notified about all future videos. As always, if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below so that you get notified about all future videos. I would love you. Please, please subscribe.
Wow.
Say hello, Frankie.